I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by installing Panda Touch Pro and launching Roblox. Make sure both run on the same device so inputs register. Once done, grant input and accessibility permissions. This ensures Panda can emulate touches reliably. Next, open the Roblox game you'll automate and place the Panda overlay where it won't block critical UI. Do this now because a correct initial setup prevents mistaps and reduces lag later. Make sure battery saver is off to avoid throttling during use. Now you configure controls. Map physical keys or gestures to the Panda touch zones, aligning each zone with the in-game buttons. Precise placement matters for consistent hits. Once mapped, adjust sensitivity, start around 0, 5 and increase to 1, 2 if touches feel sluggish. This balances false positives and responsiveness. After adjustments, run short test sequences to verify timings and tweak delays. If animations or server lag affect timing, slightly increase intertap delays. To finish, save your control profile and enable any auto-run options for repeated tasks. This preserves your setup for future sessions. Then start a full run while monitoring latency and performance. Make small changes to intertap delay when you notice missed inputs, because timing is the common culprit. If things go wrong, recenter the overlay, regrant permissions, and retest short sequences. One key troubleshooting tip: restart both Panda and Roblox after permissions changes to clear stale input sessions and ensure reliable operation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.